It's an all-new episode of Cooking with the Kellys. Today we're making honey jerk salmon sliders, and it's gonna be yum, y'all. Here's what we'll be using. This recipe I chose a skin-on Atlantic salmon, but you can absolutely use one with the skin off. I start by using a balance of all of my dry ingredients to create a rub. Then I slice the salmon into slider-sized pieces. Say that 3 times fast. Then I take the remainder of my rub. I mix it with some chopped scallions, a couple of tablespoons of our jerk seasoning, about a 1/4 cup of honey, a tablespoon or 2 of ginger paste and garlic paste. I then pour it over my salmon and massage it in, making sure that I get every piece really well. Then I refrigerate for at least a half an hour. In the meantime, I mix the ginger and garlic paste together, add in some honey, and then squeeze in my oranges. Add in about a tablespoon of butter and mix well. Microwave for about 30 seconds and then set it aside for later. This meal is going to be really easy. I place the fish fillets inside of the air fryer according to the fish settings. 325 for 15 minutes, then I remove it and baste it with the glaze and put it back in for another 5 minutes. And look how this came out, y'all. Flavorful, crispy on the outside, flaky on the inside, and oh so delicious. And here's how I served them up, y'all. On some toasted brioche slider buns with some grilled pineapple, some pepper jack cheese, and red onions. And I garnished it on top with a red pepper. It's so easy and so yum, y'all. Bon appetit!